Hello guys, first off I hope you all are doing well and welcome back again to this channel Abroad Job, and I hope you all are well. So today I will share with you a recent job openings from Saudi Arabia. It's a Gulf country, hope you all know that. So let's know what is the urgent job vacancies from Saudi Arabia and how to apply. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's move. This is a mega hiring for Saudi Arabia, and you can see here mega hiring for leading contracting company of Saudi Arabia for the construction division project. I faced interview in Mumbai second week of August. So this is the latest job openings, and the interview will be start very soon. So don't be wait. If you are eligible for these positions, apply as soon as possible. So let's know what is the positions. So let's know the facilities before we move for the positions. Visas are Spencer Payroll. They are leading contracting company in Saudi Arabia and specialized in contracting, constructions, operations, and maintenance. Job location will be anywhere in Saudi Arabia as per project requirements. Contract status single only, no family status. Interview mode face to face only. Please go through the below important instructions before applying. So interview mode face to face. Interview date. This will be very soon. Second week of August 2022. Interview place in Mumbai. Interview venue will be shared to you shortly. Candidate requires industry reference, construction educational background for all manager, engineers, and quality assurance and quality control. Must be engineering degree and with relevant experience in security systems, installations, and integrations. So open positions. Number one, quality assurance and quality control manager, multi-disc, 48 hours per week duty, electrical or mechanical engineering bachelor's degree, and having multiple discipline experience requirements. So for QA or QC manager, you should have the experience and also you should have the qualifications at electrical or mechanical engineering bachelor's degree. Let's move to next job. Next up is SSC manager. You should have any bachelor engineering degree with NEBOSH with or IOSH certified having 12 to 15 years experience in HSE. And for project engineer, 48 hours week for week mechanical bachelor's engineering degree with MEP experience requirements. Number three, project engineer, civil. You should have the civil bachelor's engineering degree qualifications. And number four, risk engineer. For these positions, risk engineers, any bachelor's engineering degree with RMP certified having 10 to 12 year experience in the risk management. Number five, site supervisor, permit receiver. And for these positions, you should have qualifications as a civil, mechanical, electrical bachelor's engineering degree with WPR certified in the past in advantage. That means at least you should have civil or mechanical or electrical bachelor's engineering degree. Number six, quality assurance and quality control civil. You should have civil bachelor's engineering degree qualifications in QA or QAC experience. Number seven, QA QAC MEP. Number eight, in instrumentation QA QAC. Number nine, admin logistics. Number 10, admin document controller. So as you can see here, different job openings from Saudi Arabia, and don't be wait. As you can see here, for admin document controller, you should have a degree, but Aramco project experience preferable. This is a company from Saudi Arabia, good company. If you are working as a document controller, then you can apply. Of course, you will get priority first to hiring for this job. Next, storekeeper. You should have a experience in Armco. It's a first preferable, and you should have the proper qualifications. Next, procurement officer. So guys, as you can see here, there are 12 different job openings from Saudi Arabia, and if you're interested to apply, then please apply. Interested candidates send more resume in PDF only at at the asthconsulting.com official email ID, and you can also follow up but by the contact number. So guys, I hope you understand how to apply everything details, and of course it is a very important job openings, and this is the urgent job openings, and If you will apply as soon as possible, of course it will be plus point for you to get a job. So interested candidates can send their CV to the given official email ID, and you should have to mention in CV name, passport, position, education, years of experience available for a face-to-face interview in Mumbai. So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So simple. This is there are 12 type of job openings from Saudi Arab, and you have to apply by the official email ID, and you have to mention your in your CV as per mentioned right here. So you have to mention your name, your passport number, your position applied, your education, your experience, years of experience, and available for a face-to-face interview in Mumbai. So next, multiple vacancies in Saudi Arab. As you can see here, Skill Hunt Consultancy is urgently looking for engineering professionals power projects for Saudi Arabia. So any nationality can be applied, 8 years of experience requirements. If you're interested to apply, you have to focus for the positions. For position is project engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, communication engineer, product engineers, electrical inspector, civil inspector, HSC specialist. If you are eligible for any of this job you want to apply, you have to apply by this official email ID. Next, multiple vacancies in Saudi Arabia. Urgent recruitment for Saudi Arabia for long term. Please follow Ambe International Recruitments and Mobility. As I collect the information, this is a good consultancy. But I already told you, once again I am telling you, before you dealing with any of consultancy, you have to be careful about money matter. I don't want any of my viewers or my subscribers facing any type of cheating. So before that, I am always telling you, please verify and be careful before you process. Without any successful process, never give a single money to any persons or any officers. So if you are interested to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. Don't worry for the interview. This interview also you can apply for this job. And also, as you can see here, the supervisor, civil, HSC editor, HSC officer, many type of job openings, and you have to apply by this official email ID. This is very very important. This is the official email ID, and as per your qualifications and as per your experience, you can forward your CV to the given official email ID. Of course, the suitable job, suitable position will be contact you for the interview. Then multiple vacancies, as you can see here: instrumentation engineer, quality control engineer, technical engineer, civil engineer, different types of engineers requirements. If you're really interested for these positions, you can apply by this official email ID. So the thing is, you have to apply by the official email ID. Once you getting reply, you can attend the interview. Next, male nurses required in Saudi Arabia. So guys, if you belongs to nurse professionals, you can apply as soon as possible. You can see here a famous healthcare group in Saudi Arabia recruits male nurse for industrial areas for a duration of 2 years of contract through ODEPC, a government of Kerala undertaking. So number one category and number two qualifications in MSc nursing. Category will be nurses and qualification will be BSc nursing. And number three, experience requirements 2 years. Gender male can be applied. And age below 40 years. Salary will be 4,500 Saudi riyal. So it's equal to 90,000 Indian rupees. So other terms and conditions, as you can see here, contract duration to 2 years as per their norms and conditions. But the applying process, you have to forward your CV to the given official email ID. So guys, I hope you understand all the things. What is the multiple job vacancies from Saudi Arab, and I can suggest you don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. Which job is suitable for you? So different job openings are from Saudi Arab. Don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. If you have the information, you can get from the descriptions below this video, and you can read it carefully. Also, if you have any questions, you can drop your question in the comment box. So guys, I hope you understand all the things, and I can suggest again, please apply as soon as possible for your suitable jobs, and I can wish you can move that country with your jobs. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time to watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll come with the latest job offerings. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.